To track your website's position in search engine results, Semrush is a powerful tool that provides valuable insights into your online visibility. Here is a step-by-step guide on where to find Semrush position tracking. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Projects tab. From there, select the project you want to work on and click on it. This will take you to the project dashboard where you can access various tools and reports. Next, click on the Position Tracking tab located in the left sidebar. This will take you to the Position Tracking dashboard where you can set up and manage your position tracking campaigns. In the Position Tracking dashboard, you can set up a new campaign by clicking on the Set Up Position Tracking button. Here, you will be asked to enter your target keywords, competitors, and other settings. Once you have set up your campaign, Semrush will start tracking your website's position for the target keywords. You can view the tracking data in the Position Tracking reports, which provide detailed information on your website's ranking, visibility, and other key metrics. To access the Position Tracking reports, click on the Reports tab in the Position Tracking dashboard. Here, you can view various reports, including the Overview report, which provides a summary of your website's position tracking data, and the Rankings report, which shows your website's ranking for each target keyword. In addition to the position tracking reports, Semrush also provides a competitor analysis report, which allows you to compare your website's position with that of your competitors. This report provides valuable insights into your competitors' strengths and weaknesses, helping you to refine your SEO strategy. By following these steps and using Semrush position tracking, you can gain valuable insights into your website's online visibility and make data-driven decisions. To improve your search engine rankings, remember to regularly monitor your position tracking data and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. To stay ahead of the competition,